Yan, login tayo sa video app. Then, click more. This from here, click natin tong manage favorites. Then, pay bills. Tapos, click yung add favorite button. So, under biller, hanapin mo yung international marketing group. Tapos, fill in yung mga details. Subscriber account name, yun yung policy name. Subscriber account number, so yung 17 digits. Pwedeng merong dash every 5 digits or pwede ring wala. Kasi minsan nagkaka-error siya pag may dash or vice versa. Then click pay bills. Tapos hanapin mo dito yung sa under favorites. Siname mo kanina. Yan. Tapos fill in yung mga details. Amount, notes, pay from. Tapos click mo later yung pay button para mag-proceed siya further. Yan. Tapos pay. Tapos click confirm. Center mo lang yung OTP from here. Tapos click mo yung complete button. Then after few seconds, makakatanggap ka na ng notification from your email na completed na yung payment. Same dun sa on-screen na details dito. Yan, katulad nito.